Before we start combining PHP and MySQL, let's have a look at a very important administration tool called phpMyAdmin. You can open this by first going to the XAMPP control panel at localhost/XAMPP. Look under Tools for phpMyAdmin. Yours will probably show a few less databases than mine right now, but you'll be creating new ones soon. Let's get started by creating your own database. Under Create New Database, type Inventory and press the Create button. You'll need one of the files from the Level 2 zip file. Copy the file books.sql to a place where you can easily upload it to your web browser. Now we'll import the file to add structure and data to our database. Click the Import tab. Click Choose File and browse to the location of books.sql. Don't worry about any of the other options. Just press Go near the bottom right. If everything went smoothly, you'll see the message, Import has been successfully finished, 3 queries executed. You will also see the contents of the file books.sql displayed. They include commands to create a table called books and use insert commands to enter 2 rows. You'll also see something new, an icon with the word books beside it. Click on the word link. This takes you to the structure or schema. Now click the Browse tab. You'll see the 2 data rows listed. You can edit rows by clicking the Edit icon. For instance, we could edit the first record and set the number of copies to 10. You'll see that 1 row was affected. The SQL query used to update the row, and the new updated data below. You can also search for records using the Search tab. For example, we'll type Jason %sign into the author field. The %sign is a wildcard, which means give me all records starting with the text Jason. Press Go, and you'll see 1 record listed. It also shows the query used to obtain that record. Let's click the Search tab again. This time we'll search for copies greater than 8. Pressing Go again, we get our other record. Another feature that phpMyAdmin provides is that you can use the Export and Import tabs to move information between MySQL and other programs, like Microsoft Excel, for instance. Head to the Export tab. Select Microsoft Excel, or a different format if you prefer. Turn on Put Field Names in First Row. Make sure Save as File is turned on and press Go. You can now view and manipulate this data in another program. If you find yourself wanting to remove data, the Empty tab will remove all records but leave your schema in place, whereas the Drop command will destroy the entire database, including the schema. Beware of using these functions as there is no undo capability. phpAdmin provides a warning dialog before actually doing it. As you can see, phpMyAdmin makes managing a MySQL database a matter of pointing and clicking. Without it, the process would be much more difficult, So take some time to become familiar with the interface and how it can help you.